I am wonderful. No complaints.
Then I'm going to do some fishing?
Yeah, I'm gonna try to see if we can pull in a catfish or two. And they're supposed to restock today.
Okay.
And I've never caught that on camera. I got a little YouTube channel, so I've never caught it on camera. So hopefully I can catch them restocking.
All right.
Yep. You gonna give it a shot or you just?
Yeah.
All right.
Seeing what it looks like. Never been here before.
All right. But yeah, I pulled some nice catfish out of here and a few panfish, you know, white perch or whatever.
What's he using for bait?
I actually use worms. I use dead shrimp, and I'm gonna try chicken gizzards today. I've never tried them before.
Okay.
And see if a catfish will pick it up.
All right. Good luck to you.
All right, my brother. Appreciate it. Somebody toying with that already. All right, real quick, fam. Good morning, YouTube fam, and welcome to another episode of Rose Up. Hold on. Bam, check that line out. Somebody's toying with it. All right, fam. Welcome to another episode of Rose Up Simpson TV. Fishing that. Y'all probably already saw the intro where I was talking to the young man and I was telling him what we were doing. We're here at Oil and Gas Park in Jennings, Louisiana, and they're supposed to be restocking the pond today. So we're gonna hang out for 4, 5, 6 hours, however long, and see can we get that process on film. In the meantime, I have a chicken gizzard on the end of my 30-pound test, and I tossed it out 20, 30 feet, and somebody's toying with it. It could be a turtle or whatever, but somebody is gently tugging on that. So let's see what we got going on, fam. Fam, while we're waiting on a catfish to make up their mind, let's put a worm out here and let's float it out here and see can we pick up maybe a panfish while we're waiting on the catfish to make up their mind. Bam. I did not open the bail. Yeah. Dang it. Did y'all hear that line snap? I don't think I opened the bail. I have to look back at the footage, but I'm positive. Somebody got a free meal. God. Roselle. Y'all know how to keep it real. Son of a anarchy. Good googly moogly. All right, fam. It is what it is. All my fault. I'll be back. Bam. This one here has been sitting out here, and I think I got a fish. Well, I'll be. Bam. Victim number 1, and he is a keeper. Well. This has just been sitting out there with a worm just on the bottom, and this dude been sitting there with it in his mouth, or he hit it on the way in. Oh, hey. Might have ourselves a little catch, clean, and cook in the making. All right. Calm down. Bam. All right. That thing would just sit there on the bottom, just holding it, or like I said, it grabbed it on the way in, and she's a keeper. We got one at work. Let's get it back out there on the clock, shall we? All right, fam, I was on the phone with Lady Red. Somebody was toying with Squeaky.
Them together, you know?
Yep. Oh, look like I might have a bite. Whoa. Oh. Thank you, babe. Got, oh. Did he get off? Ooh, got him. Bam. Oh, your boy just sitting down chilling. That's where the work is happening. Right there in the middle, on the bottom. All right, another keeper. All right. About 3 more of y'all. And we got ourselves a catch, clean, and cook. Boom. Cover my whole face. Booyah. Bam. Check it out. All right, all right, all right. Careful. All right, let's put him right back out here in the middle. Whoa. The one with that bobber on it, it's gonna have to go out here with and remove that bobber. Put it right out here in the middle on the bottom as well. All right, all right. That's not really what I came for. Came to see if we pull some Cadillacs out of here, but I take it, baby. All right, all right, all right. Y'all know I had pretty much gave up on those big night crawlers, but that's what they're hitting. I was more into the red wicklors. All right. All right. We just got it sitting right here in front of us, fam. It's laying right here. Waiting to see that line. We try to lay that line right across that cypress root. Lay it right here. And wait for it to tighten up. Tighten up. Fam, I think we might have a customer. Come on. Put a ring on it. Tick, tick, tick. But no commitment. I've been robbed. All right, all right. Oh yeah. Y'all know how I am about the highway robberies. Get you some. All right. Man, somebody's already on it. Oh. Boom. Yeah, boy. We done found him. Whoa, he is fat. Fam. That dude is fat. Check out the girth. Boom. Yeah, boy. We done found them. Check it out, fam. Boom. Going right back in. I think he might even left us our worm. He sure did. It all happened so fast that he couldn't even get the worm. He just grabbed it and I grabbed him. That's how that's supposed to work. All right, let's see what we're working with. All right, all right, all right. Shit. Do we even sit the pole down? I did not bring a single pole holder, y'all. Somebody's got me, fam. I think they let go. Darn it. Or did they let go? Oh, I'm all tied up in the other line. No, he did not let go. He was on there the whole freaking time. Yes, yes, yes. Bam. They are here. All right, concentrate, Roselle. Concentrate on your fishing. Bam. Boom. What is that, number 5, 6? Oh, he swallowed it. Calm down, son. Calm down. I'm gonna release you. Into the grease, baby. Baby, baby, baby. What's it gonna be? And that's the one I thought I had cast in too short. Bam. We're on fire. He bleeding. We are on fire. Damn. Yes. We are on fire. All right. Best I can do with it being as windy as it is. Already? They ain't committing. That seems to be the spot. Next time I cast, I'm just hanging on to it. I know I've already been robbed. I think he left me a little, really, Ro. I think he left me a little something. I just picked that up right there, fam. All right, yeah, he left me a worm. All right, let's just go ahead and hang on to it. Somebody knocking on my, oh, he had it. He took it all the way over there. The world is going on. You know what, fam? All right, fam. If you're new to the channel, this is our cooking setup. Got ourselves a little water container here. We had a big, was it 3 foot, 4 foot long, 3-inch, 4-inch piece of PVC pipe, but that was too bulky and I never used it that much. So I thought I just grabbed one of these Popeyes water bags, and I also have a jug back there for backup. So we got about a gallon of water to wash our hands, wash dishes with on these weekend excursions, fam. So there you have it. There we go. I'll turn that over to the side so we don't get it all over the truck. All right. All right, fam, we got us some sausage and eggs. Let's grab us a frying pan. Man, I should have brought some muffins. Man, if I could have made me an Egg McMuffin, perfect Egg McMuffin too. All right, family, to make quick work of this, and the igniter on this one does not work any longer, so boom. There she is. It's a little bit windy. I wonder, should I don't like cooking in the truck. That always seems kind of dangerous to me. So we're gonna try our luck right here with the wind, fam. All right. Fam, if you really want to make that sausage cook faster, check this out. All right, spray this with some butter flavor. Squeeze, squeeze. Check this out, fam. Perfect fit every time. There we go. All right, let's go ahead and, oh, one of my eggs cracked. That's fine. Quite all right. I gotta find my spatula, fam. Trash bag on the ready. Let's go ahead and flip these, fam. Oh yeah. Perfect. Perfect. Are we ready? Well, I believe we are. Boom. Perfect. Need a little seasoning. You know what? When all else fails, slap your mama hot. Spice up your life. You know what? I think we're gonna make a wrap. Why not? All right, fam, in order to warm that wrap up, since we're using this Egg McMuffin maker and not a frying pan, simply take this, flip it upside down, and let it stay there for just about a minute, 30 seconds or a minute on each side. Fam, there's always more than one way to skin a cat. Wow, beautiful, Rosie. Boom. Bon appetite. Bam. I think that might be the truck. Whoa. Bam. Is that the fish truck right there? Bam, let's hurry up and get this cleaned up and head that way. I think that might be it. Come on. All right. Hey, how y'all doing? All right. But how many do y'all dump in? 800 pounds.
800 pounds.
Wow. So if y'all had to translate into fish,
Sorry?
if you had to translate that into fish,
Oh,
probably about what, 500 fish?
no, maybe not that.
400 maybe?
Yeah,
All right.
Yeah, because there's some that are pretty good size.
Right.
300 to 400 probably.
I went to Purple Heart yesterday to fish. Somebody said they had a tournament after y'all dumped over there. It was empty, bro. I stayed 2 hours and caught one fish.
That's in Ragley?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, we delivered. Yeah, they got 800 pounds too.
Yep. Well, not anymore. Yeah, I drove over from Westlake to see this for my YouTube channel. Yep. I didn't get y'all on camera. Everybody don't want to be on camera, so I try to be careful.
If you want to come up here and like it's kind of cool seeing once the water dumps out. We did that in New Orleans a couple days ago. Got a good picture of it. So once that opened the deal here, all the water's gonna rush out. You'll be left with the fish actually coming down.
Wow.
All right, you're on. All right, flip around. Yeah.
We still got 2 more holes to do. We got
Yeah,
2 more.
that's only half of them.
So let me ask you a question. So this container, These 2 containers hold 800 or
So
1600?
that was only 400. We got
Okay.
about 200 in each hole right now.
Okay, all right.
These are only 100-gallon vats. We got another truck that's got 200-gallon vats, so we can haul up to about 600
Okay.
on catfish, about 600
All right.
pounds in a hole.
All right. Is that all y'all put in here, just catfish?
Yes, sir, yeah.
All right.
We do a bunch of other stuff, but
Right, right.
all
So
we
who
get is catfish.
are y'all with?
Bait barn fishers,
Bait Barn
Yes, sir.
Fisheries
Yes, sir.
out of
Bryan, Texas.
Bryan, Texas. All right, all right. So all the 15 or 20 places that are on the list, y'all do all of them?
Yeah, we do all the Louisiana places.
Nice.
Yes, sir.
Nice.
Tuesday we were here, and then we're here today. Next week.
So y'all already dumped
not
once?
here, but
Okay.
at other parts.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, we did. What did we do? You'd have to ask him.
All right.
He knows all the names.
Right, right, right.
Yeah, next week we'll be back in Louisiana on Thursday and Friday, hitting the rest of the spots.
I think I saw that on that list on Facebook. Yeah.
And then we'll be done until I think 2026. We'll have another. We'll just start all over again.
Okay.
I think we get to do it 4 times a year.
Okay, all right.
What did we do Tuesday? What's the
Tuesday we did Homa and Joe Brown Park in New Orleans.
There we go.
Okay, all right, all right. Yeah, Facebook had a list. That's why I knew y'all were gonna be here. I just didn't know what time.
Yes.
Nice.
Yeah, we were supposed to be here about 10. We hit some traffic in Houston.
Yeah. I hate
Dude, I hate Houston.
I hate big cities all together, but Houston, oh my.
Get in there.
Come on, fella. Nice. Man, thank y'all.
Yes, sir.
So y'all are done?
We got one more hole to drop here.
Oh, okay, all right, all right. About the sheet.
And then next week will be the last couple runs.
For the year?
No, I mean we do 2 each season, 2 in the spring, 2 in the fall. So this is the first fall run.
Okay, okay.
In November we'll do another run of all these same lakes.
All right, nice. I'll keep my eye open.
Yep.
Yeah, those fish are they big enough to catch. Now, I thought they had to grow up.
Yep. Yeah, they vary in size.
All right.
Sometimes you get some monsters.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, we've had them 10, almost 15 pounds. Big ones.
Whoa. Nice.
It just depends on what we got at the time.
All right.
Right. He is, they are. I'm just filming, I'm a YouTuber. Yeah, I was out here fishing, yeah.